We're trying to rearrange the craft room. I have a huge bedroom that I turned into a craft room when I first started it here, when I took it from the office building I had. And I've changed it round and changed it round and changed it round, but I've decided now, these units here were all along that wall. But I had nowhere to put this stuff, like mixed media, sponges and brushes, you know, clay tools, everything to do with clay. It was like, I had bits of this here and bits of this there, and I needed it all together. Now I had these units along this wall here, and underneath I had like one of those the squares, but like this one. This is, I mean, this all has to be organised, because this is where we do the shipping. This is all the free stuff we put in your kits, all the jewellery and that. So this is the postage stuff. But Ray's built me this unit yesterday using my old table that I had, because my old table used to come out to about here, but it was too big, couldn't get to the window or anything like that. So now what he's done is cut the table legs down, join them together, take the top off, cut the legs down, join them together so it's not as wide, and then fixed a tabletop for me from thick MDF. So what I've done is, underneath, they're all the bits I use on a daily basis when I'm making miniatures and whatnot, and different things. These I use all the time. That I use all the time. I've organised it to put everything in that I use constantly. They're all my tools that I use daily. And these are glues and whatnots, and needles and lighters, and because I use all of that daily. So I still have to go through, although my sister and I did this the other day. We put in all the mixed media stuff that goes there in each box, and now I've got to label them as well. But what I've got to do is take out what I use daily, and then I'm going to have a little unit down underneath the desk and put it there, the mixed media stuff, so that it's at hand and I don't have to keep lifting these tubs down because they're quite heavy. But yeah, it took a lot of doing. But I have to say, if I put the chair in, so that's where we sit, there's the arm for the camera, my glue gun there, and when I come away from it like that, it actually does look a lot better.